BluntCut MetalWorks, December 15, 2021. This is CPM S125V at 67 Rockwell. Sharpened with an Edge Pro at 13 degrees precise. The finish grit is 600 grit, and the test is I identified using 13 because I did want to get an edge that was able to have fairly hard use, and afterward it's still able to cut phone book paper. It's still smooth, basically. So this is ligament right there here, and (15 amp, 110 volt electrical wire. Elk Antler tips. If it hang up, then I will take a close zoom in, a close look. Otherwise, it's if it passed, then I'm okay. Look like it's the angler tip not doing too well. It hang up with the angler tips. Right? Yep, got that hang up. The other one, that one's fine. So I don't think maybe they need to be not like a tool steel. I mean, this is stainless steel, so it probably need to be 14 or 15 degrees precise before they can support this kind of, This one is the same hardness, like a cow femur bone or something like that. I will take a close look. After the whittle here, it looked like the nail had hit a white part. That's where the edge dig into the antler tips. And so some of the whittle was successful. And so for this here, I think is I was a little aggressive. But anyway, one fracture started. Look like these two things here. Anyway, the thickness right here is about 23 10,000 of an inch thick. And so I think if this edge was, say, 14 or 15, I think to be sure it will be 15 degrees, this is able to support this kind of, again, a very hard use. Where you cut it with something very hard, and wood, again, and the tip is something that's similar to a cow femur bone. Thanks for watching.